Hello, my friends. How you doing? Here we are with another tip. This is one that I know if you don't already know this, your brain. I'm not even gonna say it's going to explode this time. It's literally it's just going to ooze out your ears. Because if you're like me, and I think about the amount of time I have spent in my life looking for a picture for a presentation, a document, a sign for my classroom, whatever it might be where we have gone through and we're searching and we would click, we'd find the picture, we'd right click, we'd save, we'd download it, then we create a folder and then we drag it to wherever we want it to go. Um, or maybe we could get lucky here. We could just right click, we could copy the image, and then we could go over here and then we could paste it in. We've done lots of things. So I want to show you something within Google that makes your life even simpler and easier. And so we already know that in a Google slide or a Google Doc, we can go into insert, we can go into image, and we have all of these options where we could pick an image already saved for our computer. We could search Google itself. We could pull from our drive or Google folder if you're using that. If you don't use Google Photos to back up your phone pictures and things like that, you need to. URL, and then obviously your camera. But check this out. And this came about. I was thinking about my wife yesterday. She was working tirelessly, as every educator has, to get stuff ready. So let's say I want to use this picture right here in my presentation. Normally, I would save it, download it, put it to my desktop, yada, yada, yada. But watch this. I literally just click. I'm going to hold down my click, and I'm going to take this picture. One, I could do a Google search based on this picture if I wanted to, but I don't need that for today. That's another tip. I'm going to go right up here to my Google slide, and then boom, there it is. Now, the caveat here, right here, this is important. Yes, we still need to practice good copyright etiquette. So I need to give credit. I need to cite the source. I need to make sure I can use it. I need to do all of those things to pull a picture off the internet like we've always done, or maybe some of you have never done, but maybe you need to consider it. But that's one way. So here's where I use it the most. I think about the GIFs that I use all the time. And so here's one here, good old Snow White. So let's just take this, and this is how I create a lot of presentations. And boom, it's right in my slide deck. I'm done. I don't have to download, I don't have to do any of these things. And then boom, it's ready. So all I want to say is you're welcome. I hope you found this tip helpful. It's quick, it's easy, it's efficient. Obviously, practice good copyright, but every second we can save is a second we earn back for our freedom, for our mental health, and we need that as we are busy and under more pressure than ever before. All right, my friends, as always, stay awesome. Peace.